Khmer Beverages is part of Chipmunk Group business unit and subsidiary. It was established in 2009, and 2 years later we expand to a second phase, and in 2017 we complete our third phase expansion, which you can see today. And now our production capacity is 5 million hectoliters in beer production and 2 million hectoliters in beverages. In beer production, you have Cambodia Beer Lager, Bali Black Extra Stout, and Kudo Lager. For beverages, we have Cambodia Water, Ice, Carbonated Soft Drink, Asian Juice Drink named Juke, and Energy Drink Works. Well, in our plant, we have both hardware and software from Siemens technology. The hardware have a lot of machinery that we equip with Siemens brand that could help us. And for automation and software, we have Browmats S7 for our brew house automation and operation controlling. And in terms of other controlling system in other area like a packaging area and also our waste management system, we have our PLC S7 that we control the whole plant in our brewery. So with the hardware and software, I would say that is very helpful in terms of making our product very efficiency, on-time production, and also elimination of all human error. Because production is very important. Once you have an error in there, it can destroy the whole production of our product, and also the product quality consistency is not there as well. So I would say that with the technology that Siemens provides to us and all the equipment they have in our plants, I would say that it can help us a lot. Siemens always introduce a very new technologies, new way of management, new way of the way that we can manage our plant more efficient, I would say, yeah. I would say that this kind of automation and digitalization right now, if we're talking about the new trend in the world, very high technology and modern. It's not just only Cambodia, it's everywhere in the world, and it's very important because it can help the business to be very accurate, on time in delivery, because no matter how much production you have, no matter how good that you have in the way that you locate your product or distribute your product to the market, but once you cannot provide your product on time to the market, it's going to be very difficult to supply to the markets. And again, of course, we still don't forget about human, because at the end of the day, our people still operate the plant, still operate the technology that we have. So with this combination of digitalization, automation, and the people, I would say that it's can help us, and also it's very important for any industry, especially for our beer and beverages.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.